Today we are looking at another topic in mathematics, which is sequence and series. Now when you say sequence has to do with arrangement of numbers either in ascending order or descending order. That's what sequence is. And when you are talking about series, that has to do with when you know how to do addition or addition of the numbers that are arranged in a sequential order. Okay, now we are going to start first with sequence. Now if you have 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you can see that this number, I'm picking it from the smallest to a bigger number. So this one is in ascending order. But if I have from 8 to 6 to 4 to 2, this is descending order. Are you with me? So that's sequence, arrangement of number. But basically, what we want to look at under sequence has to do with when we, for example, if you have example 1, given that the nth term of a sequence is 2 raised to the power n, find the first 3 terms. Look at this. If the first term of a sequence is 2 raised to the power n, find the first 3 terms. Now, if you are going to do this, I'm going to say solution. Of course, the nth term is 2 raised to the power n. 2 raised to the power n. So now that they ask us to find first 3 terms, it means when n is 1, when n is 2, and when n is 3. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power 1, where I see n, I'll put 1 for this one. 2 raised to the power 2, where I see n, I put 2 for the second one. Then 2 raised to the power 3, where I see n, I put 3 for the third one. Now 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times 2, which is 4. Then 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So if you look at the numbers 2, 4, 8. So therefore the first 3 terms of the sequence is 2, 4, and 8. That's the final answer for that. First 3 terms. Let me do one more example on that. Example 2. Now if you have given that the nth term of a sequence, is given as 3n squared. Look at this. So find the first 4 terms of the sequence. Now, of course, to do this, solution. Write out the nth term. The nth term, of course, is n is 3n squared. So when n is 1, when n is 2, when n is 3, when n is 4. Why? Because they say first 4 terms. If they say first 6 terms, when n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here anywhere I see n, I'm going to put 1 squared. So because my n is 1 at this point. At this point my n is 2. 2 squared. Where I see n, I put 2. The 3 is still there, the 2 is still there. Then 3 squared. Then 3, 4 squared. Now if you notice, that 3 is constant, it's not changing. Then the square is also constant, it's not changing. It is only the n that is changing. N is 1, n is 2, n is 3, n is 4. So by the time I want to do this, I'm going to have 3 into 1 square means 1 times 1, which is 3 times 1, which is 3. Then 2 square means 2 times 2, which is 4. So 3 times 4, which is 12. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 3 times 9, which is 27. That is 3 times 3. Then 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. So 3 times 16, that is 8 and 4, that's 48. So therefore the first 4 terms of the sequence are 3, 12, 27, and what? 48. Those are the first 4 terms of the sequence. So that is how to go about sequence. So I am going to give you this work. Try to practice and then get back to me on sequence. So number 1, if you have 4n squared minus 1 over 2, 6 minus n cubed over 3n. Number 3, 8n squared plus 4 over 2n minus 1. In all of these, find the first 4 terms of the sequence. So this is my assignment for you.